What's up, Aces? Welcome back to the channel. So, Cardi B, if y'all aren't familiar with this meme, she says, if I got a beef with a girl, I got beef with her forever. Okay? Forever, ever. Forever, ever. Cardi is not letting up on Tasha K. Okay? Now she's going after her husband. Because if you guys remember, when Tasha K went to bankruptcy court and they asked her about her app and all these different finances that she had, Tasha was very vague and elusive, and she would say, "Oh no, I don't have an app. My husband does." So Cardi's like, "All right, bet." Cardi B is determined to ensure that Tasha K settles her debts, and now she's involved her husband. So, according to court documents, the rapper served Chanika Kibi, Tasha K's husband, I hope I'm saying his name right, with a subpoena earlier this week. Okay. So, with this subpoena, Cardi B and her attorneys can examine all the couple's assets in Miami on August 7th, which is right around the corner, as part of Tasha K's bankruptcy filing. The examination will be recorded on video. Oh my goodness. The examination will continue from day to day until completed, reads the order. If the examinee receives this notice less than 14 days prior to the scheduled examination date, the examination will be rescheduled upon a timely request to a mutually agreeable time. Last month, Cardi B was told to stop pursuing Tasha K for payments after Tasha K filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy. So a few things, right? Okay. So I'm sure if Tasha could go back in time, which hindsight is always 2020, but this is ridiculous because Tasha K went to bankruptcy court again. She was pretty vague. You cannot lie to the bankruptcy court. So in addition to the $4 million that she owes Cardi B, she also owes the IRS back taxes. And so the bankruptcy court is literally going through just every single financial asset that she has, down to her handbags, all like the cars that they have. And now they're going after her husband. And I don't know, the Twitter streets and social media, they're questioning whether or not he's a legal immigrant, a legal citizen. I hope that he is, because I know him and Tasha, she said that they've been together since they were in their 20s. So I'm thinking to myself, okay, if they've been together for that long, about 20 years or, approximately, surely he would have got his green card. They've been married and they got their legal citizenship all tied up. Unless, other people's theories have been that he wanted to keep his citizenship back in his home country. I'm not sure exactly what country in Africa he's from. I think it's Nigeria, but don't quote me for sure. Nigeria or Ghana, I want to say. But either way, right? If he keeps and he could be a dual citizen for all we know. But what I do know is next month I will have more information for you because everything will be recorded via video. And what you cannot do is perjure yourself in the bankruptcy court, because then, and the last time her husband was questioned, he didn't lie. He was very forthcoming, which is really smart, right? Because the last thing that you want to do is lie to the IRS. Okay. They're going to find out and they're going to get their money, because a lot of people in the past, and the first person that pops in my head is like, Geraldo Rivera, Al Capone, big names have been brought down. Wesley Snipes, right, through trying to evade their taxes, or it's always something with money in the IRS. They don't play, okay? So I really need for Tasha K and her husband to be as forthcoming and upright as possible, okay? Because, I watch Fox Soul from time to time, and Funky Neva, Quentin Latham, and Tasha K are friends, and he said, "Ooh, girl, you got some really good lawyers." So they were talking behind the scenes. I'm really surprised that he said that on, you know, a national platform. He may be subpoenaed as well. I don't know. I'm not a lawyer, so this is all alleged and in my opinion. But again, him saying on Fox Soul that she allegedly could, right? This is all alleged, but that she could, shut down her LLC and then just start up another company and refuse to pay Cardi B her money, via just that way. A lot of people were saying that's bankruptcy fraud. Again, I'm not a lawyer, but this is what I know. Cardi B's not letting up off of Tasha K's neck. And Cardi B's lawyers are going to want their money from Tasha K as well. Like they're going to want to be paid, so that further incentivizes them to go after not only her, but her husband. And it makes me sad, because they do have two children. They are a really, beautiful family. And my heart really breaks for her husband and her children because they didn't ask to be in this mess, right? All this could have been avoided if Tasha, well, one, she didn't say what she said about Cardi in the first place, but when Cardi asked her to take the video down, she should have just took it down. I mean, if somebody reaches out to me and says, well, I don't defame people. Like I said, everything is alleged and it's all out there. But I would never talk about someone's, medical history and things like that. But if further down the line, I do slip up and say something, foolish, and someone says, "Oh, hey, would you mind taking this video down? It makes me uncomfortable." Absolutely. It's gone the next day. So anyway, I just wanted to bring that to you guys. I want to keep you updated on the story about Tasha K and her husband that are going to be subpoenaed very soon, the first week of August. And I hope that they have their ducks in a row. I hope that, Tasha K said that her lawyers to her are seemingly, incompetent because they lost their appeal. And now she has to have her husband testify. He's getting a subpoena. I just, I really hope that they're not doing anything illegal, that maybe, Q misspoke on Fox Soul, or he, wasn't necessarily oversharing, but maybe misinterpreted what Tasha was saying, because that's not a good look. And the feds listen in, especially in social media. And now that that's recorded, now that that's out there, that's even more messy, right? So I will keep you guys updated. Y'all drop down in the comments. Let me know your thoughts about what's going on with all of this tax situation. I'm actually learning a lot myself because I'm new to this YouTube game and learning about, RPMs and views and just, things that can be documented and played in court. That's why I say everything on this channel is alleged. And for entertainment purposes only, and in my opinion, covered under the fair use clause. But again, this is not, these are court records. So it's all public. It's not defamatory. But yeah, I really wish Tasha K's husband and her family and her children the best, because this is messy. But please like the video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and I will talk with you later. Take care, aces. Bye.